Gentle is the rain that falls softly on the meadow. Birds high above the trees serenade the flowers with their melody. Oh, sing there beyond the hill the bright colors of the rainbow. Some magic from above made this day for us just to fall in love. Now I belong to you from this day until forever. Just love me tenderly and I'll give to you every part of me. Oh, don't ever make me cry through long loneliness without love. Be true to me, keep and stay in your heart eternally. Someday we shall return to this place upon the meadow. We'll walk up in the rain, hear the birds above sing once again. You hold me in your arms and say once again you love me. And if your love is true, everything will be just as wonderful. Now I belong to you from this day until forever. Just love me tenderly and I'll give to you every part of me. Oh, don't ever make me cry through long loneliness without love. Be always true to me, keep and stay in your heart eternally. You hold me in your arms and say once again you love me. And if your love is true, everything will be just as wonderful.